Greetings, greetings, greetings. You are now tuned into the vault. Trust Christian, know nothing, control everything. Just want to thank you for tuning in live, listening to replay. Always appreciate everybody that tunes in live, listening to replay. This is the vault, episode 379. I've never met a wealthy day trader. Once again, this is the vault, episode 379. I have never met a wealthy day trader. Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listening to replay. Feel free to type into the chat where you're listening live from, as well listening to replay if you're listening back in the replay and this episode impacts you. Once again, if you like the episodes or you want to be able to get on the episodes live while we're doing them, just feel free to hit the notification button twice. You'll be able to, get the notifications when we go live. This is a pop-up episode. Definitely want to do this episode because we've had so many trustees come back to us for months and years now about this whole day trading thing, and you know we're just gonna hop straight into it. But appreciate everybody tuning in live, listening to replay. I appreciate Palm Beach for tuning in live, listening to replay. Always appreciate Palm Beach County for tuning in live, listening to replay. So we're just gonna go ahead and talk about it today. I've never met a wealthy day trader, and this is a undisputed and undeniable fact. So many people come to the vault. They ask for all of this information about how to diversify the portfolio, how to grow the portfolio, how to add some type of hedge to the portfolio. And we provided that through Cornell, the trading partner. When we met Cornell, the trading partner, he told us off the rip. I'm making $2,000 a day plus off of trading. And that wasn't a lie, but it seems that a lot of people, they've gone through the training with Cornell, and we've known Cornell for years at the vault. So this is one of the things a lot of people, they gonna get their feelings hurt today, because we gonna go ahead and say it, and we don't mind saying it, because the person we met then is the same person we met now. Whereas so many people think that they could be Wiley Coyote, super genius, and they're looking like a fool, because when they come back to Trust Christian in the vault, we done lifted up the curtain and we see the Wizard of Oz behind their candy butt. So we're just gonna go ahead and talk about it today. I've never met a wealthy day trader. This is one of the things that a lot of times you get these people that are working jobs. They over here trying to tell you how to day trade. You get these people that are selling memberships. They out here not making money day trading. When we talking about day trading, we talking about they actually on the internet do some type of computer making money every single day, and most of them are not. A lot of people that are doing those day trading programs, they trying to sell you some program during day trading. You know, they're making money off of the brokers that they're referring you to. Let's get that straight. That's a whole nother group, whether it's named Sykes or whoever. These people got cases out on them for stealing people's money. So when y'all want to talk about, oh, you can make money day trading. First of all, we done sat around day traders for years now. We sit there and talk to trading partner Cornell, talk to him actually today, and we done talked to him for years about it. We done heard people make $30,000 in a month, in a week, in a day. $30,000. And next thing you know, he telling you the back end of the story. Yeah, they lost it too. And you sitting here thinking like, well, if you made $30,000 in a day, if you made $30,000 in a week, if you made $30,000 in a month trading, how would you lose it? And if you lose it, why you don't make it back? Because it's not that easy. This is the harsh reality for people that are going to be listening, and they think, oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and do what Trust Christian or what Cornell the Trader be doing, talking about I'm gonna be day trading. First of all, people don't even understand what a portfolio is. So if you don't know what a portfolio is, you might want to go figure out that you're not just day trading in a portfolio. You got a group of assets, equities, commodities, or different markets that you're looking at, indices that you're looking at. Most people don't even know how to do a top-down, bottom-up approach. because they don't have a systematic asset selection process. See, these are the terms that we talk about behind closed doors because people that are really making money trading don't want to talk to people in the public. First of all, if you're making money and you're wealthy, why would you want to talk to poor people? See, this is the harsh reality that people don't want to hear over the internet because they think everything's some goddamn get rich quick scheme. Some goddamn go, oh, I'm going to get money day trading and I'm going to be rich. First of all, if you're making money day trading, why are you working a job? We gotta go ahead and talk about it because there's so many of them out here talking about they making money, but they still working. First of all, if you're in an unlimited industry, why are you doing anything else? It's unlimited. You think people stupid? You think people like us over here that are in the private wealth environment, you think we stupid? You think we don't know that if you in an unlimited field, why would you be doing anything else? You think we dumb? But they don't want to tell you though, they ain't making no money. Because if you're making the money every single day, then you wouldn't need anybody. You wouldn't sell a subscription. You wouldn't sell a membership. You wouldn't do none of that. Period. Oh man, Trust Christian Vault, I can't believe you said that. You know what you mean? Why wouldn't they sell a membership? They could teach other people how to trade. First of all, they don't need to teach you how to trade. Why? Because they already know how to trade. Why? They don't need you. They don't need a headache. Somebody emailing them saying, hey man, it's not working out for me the way I thought it was going to work out for me. I thought this day trading stuff was going to be a little bit easier. First of all, how long is it going to take you to learn how to day trade? How long is it going to take? Is it going to take you a month? Is it going to take you a year? You think if you was sitting on the trade desk at a Goldman Sachs or a Fortune 500 IB, you think you can be sitting at some IB talking about some, oh man, I need a year to learn how to day trade? You think you're going to be sitting there for months on end losing money? People in the investment banking industry get fired. Every job, quote unquote, has a 90-day rule, right? Right. So how long can you go without even making no money day trading? How long can you go? A week? A month? 3 months? That's the problem. And we're going to talk about it today. We're going to talk about it on this episode because we get trustees coming back to me. Oh, I went through the trading class with Cornell. First of all, we done went through the trading class with Cornell. So you can't tell us nothing that you can't tell Trust Christian nothing because we done went through the trading class. And we done heard all the excuses. Oh man, I got this much information. I got that information. Yeah, so why you day trading? Why you want 15-minute charts? Why you want hour charts? See, I wasn't there when Trust Christian knew Cornell and he was falling asleep on videos because he was watching videos that show him how to trade for over weeks and months. Where his mentor is sitting there telling him, hey, don't worry, take everything off the chart. You got these goofballs on the internet, day trading, talking about, yeah, man, you got to put the MACD on here. You got to put the 20 moving average. You got to put the 50 moving average. You don't even know why you got the 20 moving average. You don't even know why you got the 50 moving average. You don't even know why you got the 60 moving average. You just got the moving average on there because some goofball told you to put it on there. Cornell, the trading partner, didn't tell you to put it on there because we don't went through the class. You're supposed to be able to trade without any of those indicators. You could damn near just use trend lines and trade. But oh no, they don't want to hear that though. They trying to shortcut the shortcut. See, this is coming down to poor people trying to shortcut their way to wealth. Oh, I'm a day trade. First of all, if you day trading, is you making money every day? Because it ain't that easy. Go ask the people that work on Wall Street. Do they day trade? They don't. Why? Because algorithms day trade. That's what trades in the daytime. Algorithms. On a daily, algorithms are trade. You're going against the algorithm. First of all, the goddamn brokers are selling your information to the hedge funds that got the algorithms that are taking positions against your day trading butt. But you want to sit here and think that you're going to beat the day trade. You think you're going to beat the daily. Oh, I'm a day trade because, I need some money right now because I'm trying to get off my job. Instead of learning how to look at the market over a 20, the 60, the 90-day period. Looking at it on a quarterly basis, just like the companies report on a 90-day basis. Just like Cornell, when he came to us and told us, hey, you know what? He said, hey, man, look, I learned how to trade now. Because he first knew how to day trade, no doubt about it. He said, hey, man, I learned how to trade over a period of time now. I took everything off the chart. Mentor said, I put in 3, 4, 5 trades a year and go put 10,000 in, make $50,000. I'll put $30,000 in and make $70,000. Is that hard? Is that People not willing to put their life savings on that, is they? No, but they want to day trade. Day trade what? How much you gonna be risking in the day trade? You're not gonna risk your whole account. You ain't gonna risk half of your account. You're not even gonna risk a quarter of your account in a day trade. They don't understand probabilities. They don't understand that you're going against a supercomputer. Cornell tells you in the daggone webinar, guess what? They done spent billions of dollars at these hedge funds, at the institutional banks to do what? To speed up the supercomputer. And not only that, they're paying the brokerage companies because the brokerage companies are selling your information, selling them your positions. The brokerage companies are selling them your day positions. They selling them your out. How you think they got algorithms? Because they know your habits. They selling them your data. Oh man, Trust Christian Revolt, you're capping Trust Christian Revolt. You don't know what you're talking about. I know people that are day trading. First of all, we done sat in front of the people, and this is a hard reality for people. They ain't day trading. Ain't too many day traders making money on a consistent basis. Why? Because you got to be emotionally bulletproof. You got to have balls of steel. When that market go against you, you got to have the confidence to sit in that trade. Otherwise, you jumping in and out of it. But these goofballs don't want to tell you, like we know, there's commission fees. Every time you go in and out of a trade, it's a commission fee. They don't want to tell you that though. So how many trades you making in a day? So you got to sit in a trade sometimes in a day trade. You got to sit in it. Otherwise, you're paying an inordinate amount of fees. Think about it. If you trading every single day, jumping in and out of trades multiple times a day, you know how many commissions you paying to the brokerage company? Not only that, the brokerage company, that you giving them commissions every day. Where somebody that's trading over a week, over a month, over a longer period of time is only giving them that once or twice. Couple commission fees. People don't want to tell you that though, but they want to cap and tell you, oh man, we day trade. No, you're not day trading. You're not going to get wealthy day trading. Why? Because there's commission fees. You got to pay commission fees when you day trade. They look at you as an institutional trader then. Why? Because you're getting in and out of the market. Doesn't matter that you're getting in and out of the market on the same equity. You're getting in and out of the market every single day. The market's not made for that. Why? Oh, Trust Christian, what are you talking about? People make money day trade. No, they don't. Because if they did, how come the big banks aren't doing that? Who you gonna follow? The big banks? Or you gonna follow some guys on the internet telling you, oh man, I'm making all this money day trade? No, they're not. They're not wealthy off it. They're not consistent off it. We got people coming back to the vault. Oh, Trust Christian Vault. I'm sitting on the line with people trading out of some damn demo account. What are you wasting your time for? We tell them this all the time. Why are you sitting around people that ain't making no money day trading? Because they not making no money day trading. Oh man, Trust Christian Vault, what you mean? Hey, day trading? No, I know they it look like they making some money, and that's all it does. It looks like they making some money. They ain't making no money, because if they was, they wouldn't have jobs, and they wouldn't need you. If they was making money, they wouldn't even be on the line with you. Why? Because they gonna make their money and get up from the computer and go take care of the rest of their life. They gonna get their money and walk away. How long you supposed to sit in front of the computer when you day trade? Oh, I'm only supposed to sit in front of the computer for a little bit of time. No, you're not. You're supposed to get some money. But we already know people ain't making money day trading like that. Talked to trading partner Cornell earlier. They say, man, look, we're just gonna go ahead and do this episode for the people because they want to sit here and talk about, oh man, well, why'd you feature Cornell, the trading partner? Because he brought information that was valuable to the vault, not to the rest of you all, to the vault. I told him when I first met him, I'm not trying to sit in front of no computer and day trade every day. That's a job. What you talking about? You got a job when you day trade. You think this is funny? How you gonna make money long term and you got a job? Ain't no wealthy people got jobs. That's a fact. You gotta be an entrepreneur. You gotta be an investor. So how you gonna sit here and say, oh, you making money with a job? That's day trading. You want to wake up in the morning and sit on the line in some group and play pity pat. You want to sit back and feel good about yourself because you're in a group with other people instead of feeding your family. People lost the art of feeding their family. They learned the art of being mediocre. dealing with average people and cappers, people that want to sit on the line and lie and act like they're making money. How you making money in your demo account? Y'all think we playing out here? This is the vault. We making money. This is generational wealth. This ain't no dad gonna sit in some damn demo account. Y'all need to be able to call people out. We got trustees coming back talking about, oh man, we sit on the line in the morning time trying to make money with people. Is you trying or is you doing it? That's the question you gotta ask yourself. Talking about some, oh man, trust Christian Revolt. We all think we all look like we making some money on here. I seen them put the trade in, I seen it go up. You don't even know the difference between a damn demo account and the goddamn regular account. Because you ain't trading out the regular account. But when you trading out the regular account, the real account, you can see the difference. You can see the numbers. The numbers look different. The colors look different. But you don't know that because you over here playing around like the rest of these little fakers. And the reason why they able to lie, because they got the security of a job. Because they got the security of your membership. Oh man, well, if you were in my group, then hey, I get to make money off you. First of all, a real trader don't need you. A real trader don't need you to make no money. That's a fact. That's a fact. A real trader gonna go in, make their money over a period of time, or otherwise, and go about their day. We got a good relationship with trading partner Cornell. That's a fact. That this ain't nothing about him because we already know when we met him he was day trade. He learned how to day trade. That's the difference when he first started. But he also learned how to trade over a period of time, and that's why we brought it to the vault because we know most people got jobs and they can't day trade every day in the morning. So you're supposed to be trading over a longer period of time. So why you need to sit on the line with other people every single morning? Because you want to play pity pat. You want to massage your ego for the lack of ineptness. The lack that you're going to sit there and actually do the work on the stocks or the equities or the indices or the pairs that you're looking at. You don't want to do the work by yourself. You don't want to make the decisions by yourself. Why? Because you want a job. You want a boss. You want somebody to sit there and tell you how to trade. So that you learning how to trade for yourself. That's the bottom line, people. If you was making money day trading, how long you gonna work your job after you day trade? You think it's funny? Oh man, I'm day trading. How long you been day trading? People don't even want to ask these questions. Why? Because they're losers. Everybody that was making money day trading in 2021, oh man, the market's going high. 2020, when the market volatility was crazy, oh man, market volatility is crazy. I'm making money on penny stocks. You don't even see these people on the internet no more. Y'all think this is funny? These people ain't even on the internet no more. They ain't posting no trades. Same thing with the crypto. Oh man, I'm making money in the crypto. We done seen people make $1 million in crypto and lose it. Y'all think this is funny? We done seen people make $1 million in crypto and lose it. But y'all want to sit here and talk about some damn day trading. This is a joke. Oh man, I'm a day trade though. Because I want to sit here on 15-minute charts, 3-minute charts, and go against $1 billion damn algorithm. I want to go against a broker that's selling my information. You want the broker selling your information to the daggone hedge funds and the daggone institutional banks. Y'all funny. That's why we ain't never met a wealthy day trader. And we never will. But they want to sit here and talk about, oh, I'm day trading though. I'm day trading through the demo account. I'm not going to sit in my real account when I'm with other people. Why? Because I got to focus. Right. So if you really were day trading, you really wouldn't even be on the internet with other people talking to them. You'd be focused behind closed doors, day trading, making your money, being quiet, going along your way. You're not going to be sitting around people talking. Why? Because you got to focus when you're trading. You got to have quality decision making skills. But most people are emotional. And it ain't just women. It's men included. We're talking to this one trader right now. You know this one trader? This dude, he actually know how to day trade. He's making money consistently. And he still got emotional issues he's got to get over with. He come to Trust Christian in the vault for what? Oh, I got to meditate. I got to silence my mind. I got to get rid of the noises in my head. Because I'm making money, but I'm not confident completely. I'm making money, but I gotta make better decisions. I'm beating myself up. How you beating yourself up and you making money? These are the things you go through when you day trade. So to learn how to just trade over a period of time. Because it's not easy to day trade. You got to have balls of steel. You got to have no emotions. You got to be okay with making money today and losing money tomorrow. And you got to be confident in your skill set. But people not confident in their skill set. And that's why they got other things going on. They got plan Bs and they got jobs. They know they ain't going to be able to hack it. This how we know we ain't never. This how y'all know we ain't never met a wealthy day trader. Now, once again, we done met Cornell the trading partner. Cornell the trading partner done traded for other people before. When you making money day trade, guess what? When you making money trade, you supposed to have the skills to be able to trade for other people in your community and your family. They supposed to be able to come to you and say, hey, can you trade for me? That's how you know we ain't never met a wealthy day trader. Because if you was trading money, people gonna give you money to trade with. You think this is funny? If you making money trading, people are gonna give you money to trade because you're consistent. That's why we haven't met a wealthy day trader, because they not consistent. We sitting here talking to Cornell, the trading partner. Hey, look, why would someone want to trade for you and you talking about, oh yeah, I'm going to do a 80-20 split. You going to give me back 80 if I give you money, and I'm going to give you 20, and you doing all the work. You think people haven't propositioned us with that type of silliness before? Whether it's day trading or trading over a period of time? If you trading successfully, people are going to give you money. That's your family and your friends. You're supposed to be able to show them the track record if you're consistent. But you're not. But we got trustees coming back talking about some, oh man, I gotta figure it out, because for what? Just learn how to trade over a period of time. A longer period of time. What's wrong with taking a 2-week trade? You getting paid every 2 weeks. What's wrong with taking a monthly trade? Ain't that how often food stamps and all that other stuff come? Ain't the government checks coming once a month? Oh man, I can't wait that long to get my money. See, people get it twisted. They think, oh man, I see somebody do something, one thing, but they don't really know the whole portfolio. Just because somebody might be day trade, are they trading with a portfolio having longer term trades in? Do you know that? All you see is, oh man, look, I seen they trades. They showed me the trades online on the internet. But you don't know they got longer term trades open. You don't know that they got multiple trade accounts open. You don't know that though, do you? That's why I've never met a wealthy day trader. Ever. Because you don't get wealthy day trade. It's too much market volatility. Who's going to risk $1 million account for a daily move? When you could trade over a longer period of time and increase your probability, increase your odds. They don't want to talk this way because we done seen people over the internet just talking smack. Oh man, I'm trading every single day. What you doing anything else for if you trading every day for? What are you doing anything else? How you building up the account and you day trading? How about that? Are you building up the account or you trading for income? They don't want to tell you that though, do they? How you going to build the account and you keep taking out money every day of the account that you're making? So you're really not making any money because you got to have money for leverage to put in bigger trades. Y'all think this is like we don't know what we talking about or something? But it's, oh man, I'm day trading, man. I'm trading penny stocks. Those people are out of the window. Anything less than $1 billion market cap, they're out of the window right now. These people are nowhere to be found on the internet. Everybody wanted to say they was day trading. Oh man, I'm day trading. I'm trading the meme stocks. I'm trading meme stocks over the internet. What are you talking about? Go look at the meme stocks. Where are they? They're in the garbage with those people's trading. Because I've never met a wealthy day trader. That's why. You don't get wealthy day trading. If you want some lunch money, sure, it's there. You could get some lunch money if you know how to trade, but think about it. Think about the risk you're putting the portfolio in every single day by going out and trying to trade the account every single day. You're going to get tired of that. First of all, it's a job. Who wants to day trade every single day? Y'all think this is funny? You trading every single day, that's a job. Right. You thinking like you got a job because you got a job. That's why. No, no, no. It's a harsh reality when they come back. The Trust Christian, man. Look, man, I know, we went through the class with trading partner Cornell, but now, we out here on our own. Yeah. You gotta make some big man, big woman decisions on your own. You got to make some big man and big woman decisions. You got to learn how to be financially independent. How you going to be financially independent? You ain't even able to make independent decisions on your own. You ain't even willing to take risk and build up a track record. Because people are cowards. We're not going to talk about the glossy side of all the good stuff that's going on. No, we talking about the facts. The fact is, they don't want to make those trades by themselves. They don't want to blow up an account by themselves because they think they're going to be a loser because they are. They're a loser. And they don't want to lose anymore. Well, guess what? You think as you build up the account, you're not going to take losses? You think day traders don't take losses? Day traders take losses. People that got portfolios longer term, they take losses. So what makes you any different? Oh, trust Christian in the vault. You know, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure it out, trust Christian in the vault. I'm trying to day trade because I'm just trying to make some quick, easy money so I can get off my job. And that's job mentality. Instead of building up the account, if you went through the trading class like Cornell say, build up the account. So building up the account has nothing to do with day trading. Building up the account has nothing to do with even trading one asset class. When you look in the management system, you can trade many different asset classes. Some people just focus on oil. Some people just focus on gold and silver. Some people focus on the volatility index. Some people focus on the VIX. Some people focus on the indices. The indices ain't gone nowhere this year in 2022 so far. So how you making money day trading? What are you trading right now? You trading currency pairs? Where they got wars breaking out almost? Where they got oil prices that are fluctuating? This is the stuff we talking about with trustees that come back to the vault. Oh man, trust Christian vault. You know, we trying to figure it out. I'm just trying to get my hands around it. If you're trying to get your hands around it, stop dealing with poor people. That's a hard reality. Why? Because you're not going to get rich dealing with poor people. Y'all think we trying to be mean or something. This ain't about being mean. This is about the harsh reality that you're in a money field. How you going to be in a money field saying you want to be financially independent and you ain't dealing with financially independent people every day? The only way you're going to get financially independent is by dealing with financially independent people. By talking to them, by listening to their strategies, listening to how they live in their lifestyle, to listen so you can mimic and duplicate the pattern of success. Because I've never met a wealthy day trader. They don't exist. Can you go in and make some money occasionally? Sure. Can you go in and make some money on the daily? Sure. But how consistent will you be? And are you okay with the losing days? Are you going to just go back in, man, I got to go back in. I got to get this money. I know I'm confident in getting money, but I got to go back in and get the money. And then you end up losing more money. And that's how we know people. We used to sit on the phone and laugh at people with trading partner Cornell. They'd be like, man, people made this much money and they lost this much money. You'd be like, how the heck you lose that type of money? You would think they would take half of the money and just never invest the rest of it. But for some odd reason, they lose the money. Why? Because it's their mindset towards trading. That's why. They're trying to treat it like it's gambling. They're gambling. That's all they're doing. Used to ask trading partner Cornell. Y'all can go back and listen to the episodes. We used to ask him, how is trading not gambling? Specifically day trading. Because it deals with probabilities. You got to be okay with losing the money once you put the trade in. You got to be okay with the trade in the red as soon as you get in the trade. How many people okay with that? They not. They going to get shook out of position. Why? Because they trying to go off some daggone technical analysis patterns. How? How many technical analysis patterns are there out there? How many patterns are there? It's hundreds. It's thousands. It's thousands of technical analysis patterns that you can look up. Oh, I got this candlestick pattern. I got this type of channel. I got this type of thing. I got that type of thing. Right. But they come back to the vault. Oh man, I've been in there. I've been studying, but I ain't made no money yet. How long you think you're gonna be working for Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan, sit on the desk, and you ain't making no damn money? That's how you know you ain't doing it right. That's where you need to go ahead and cut your losses and say, you know what? This either isn't for me or it is. But they don't want to trade with real money because they want to use what's available for the dummies, the demo account. Oh man, I'm gonna play around in the demo account, because if I'm in a demo account, then it'll make it a little bit easier on me because I can't just lose all my family's money overnight. Exactly, because you're a loser. Because if you were going to focus on having a systematic asset selection process, what would you do? You would slow down and speed up. You say, okay, I'm gonna run a live and a demo. I'm not just running no paper account. Because then when we talk to trading partner Cornell and he tells us, hey man, it's emotional for most people. You got to have balls of steel. They don't want to hear that. Because most people are living their lives emotionally. By the seat of their pants. Emotional. I'm going to just be emotional about it. Exactly. That's why they're not making no money. Because they're emotional about it. And we didn't sit here and talk to him about that for years. But, hey, this episode is definitely for the trustees. They want to sit here and keep talking about this daggone day trading stuff. Instead of just wising up, saying, you know what? We got to go ahead and maybe look at some higher time frames, stay on the higher time frames, and just learn how to build up the account over a period of time. And really use it in a real account. Even if you could do $300, $500, $1,000, $5,000, something like that. $5,000 plus, $10,000, something. But they're not willing to risk the real money. That's how you know you're not made for this. You got to be willing to be okay with losing money. It's trading, ladies and gentlemen. You think anybody that does something is always going to be right or perfect? No. But for some odd reason, though, people still want to day trade in 2022. Everybody that was posting all them trades online in 2020 and 2021 won't even see them no more. Because they don't know how to trade. They was getting lucky. They was listening to the news. Now, would you rather be lucky than smart? Sure. Go ahead and be lucky. We like to be lucky too. But guess what? Trading is a skill. At one point, if you're going to live off it like it's a real business, you got to actually develop the skill. You can't be lucky forever. Sometimes your luck runs out at the craps table. That's why we always ask them, how's it not gambling? Because you're lucky. If you're not lucky, then you got a skill. That's a fact. And is it something you can learn as a skill? Definitely. We know that for sure. Trading is something you could definitely learn as a skill. Because there are people that are doing it. And remember, when you're trading successfully, people will give you their money because you got a track record. Your friends and family should see your track record. Hey, I ain't lost money in weeks. I ain't lost money in years. I ain't lost money in months. So your friends and family should give you money so you can trade with. That's how the business works. That's why I trust Christian Revolt. We just be quiet about it over here. Because we see what all the fakers are doing on the internet. And it's a joke. These people are jokes. People want to have Sunday morning class type BS. They want to give you the religious perspective of trade. When trading is not a theory. They want to give you the theoretical. It's supposed to do this, but I thought it was going to do this, but it went against me. Yeah, and you ain't make no money. And neither did you lose it. That's theory. It ain't theory when you losing it. It's not theory when you making it. Man, Trust Christian Revolt, what you mean? Why can't I use the demo account? Because when you really get into the real day trading, it's going to involve your emotions now. Because you got your real money on the line. It's going to test your patience. It's going to test your grit. They're going to see if you got balls of steel. Their algorithm's going to see if you got balls of steel. So when the trade's going against you, because you already got the commission fee out, and because they seen where you got in, they seen your patterns, and they're going to go against you real quick. Just to scare you out of a position. They actually, how you going to day trade? Oh, I day trade with a stop loss. Did you know that the algorithms chase stop losses? Did you know that on the institutional side, they could see where retail traders are trading at on a daily basis? Did you know that? I mean, I didn't know that. They see your position on the other side. The institutional side sees your position as a retail trader. This is what they're not telling you. But you want to day trade. The institutional sees your position size. It sees where you got in at. It sees where your stop loss is at. We told y'all that the brokers are selling the information to the funds. It's a zero sum game. Somebody's got to win, somebody's got to lose. When somebody's buying, somebody's selling. When somebody's selling, somebody's buying. That's the way the market works. But we already know what it is, though. Hey, people want to get rich quick. You hear that? People just want to get rich quick. And y'all can keep on trying to get rich quick. And you're going to find out the hard way that it don't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Because when trading partner Cornell told us to build up the account, we knew that was the only thing we was focused on. Not trying to take money and live off of it. So once you build up the account, you can move forward in a different type of way. And once people see you can build up an account, people willing to give you money. What part of that didn't you hear? Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listen, replay. Always appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listen, replay. Feel free to reach out, Christian at trustchristian.com. Once again, it's Christian at trustchristian.com. At the same time, we got trading partner Cornell. He's definitely done some classes. Know he's going to raise the price on some of the things he's doing. So feel free to reach out. We'll put you in contact with him. Once again, it's Christian at trustchristian.com. He told us you don't have to day trade. That's why we got into it. Because you don't have to day trade. You don't have to be bothered with people. Why would you want to be bothered with people when you can make your money quiet in the comfort of your home or sit on the beach and you by yourself and you're focused? Why would you want to do that? Because people are capping. They're lying out here. They're telling you that, hey, I'm trading and I'm making all this money. Why do they need you then? They don't need you for nothing. Because they're making the money they need on their own. But we already know most aren't. That's why I've never met a wealthy day trader. Appreciate everybody for tuning in live, listen, replay. Christian at trustchristian.com. Once again, it's Christian at trustchristian.com. Look forward to hearing from you all. Peace and joy.